Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Journey Logbook. This is Nancy and today I'll be talking about the most fascinating industry, modeling. Youth is highly attracted to this profession and some of them call it as their passion. But how much do you know about this industry? Let's explore it today. So modeling was started in 1853 by Mr. Charles Frederick Worth. जब उन्होंने अपने डिज़ाइनर आउटफिट्स के लिए अपनी वाइफ को मॉडलिंग करने के लिए कहा, उनका ये आइडिया और उनके डिज़ाइंस यूरोप में काफ़ी फेमस हुए। फिर उन्होंने एक फ़ैशन सैलून खोला पेरिस में, जिसका नाम उन्होंने रखा हाउस ऑफ द वर्थ, और इसीलिए आज तक उनको फादर ऑफ ऑथ कुट्योर भी जाना जाता है। यहीं से ये आइडिया काफ़ी फेमस हुआ और यहीं से एक नया प्रोफेशन बना जिसको आज हम मॉडलिंग के नाम से जानते हैं। एंड देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मॉडल्स लाइक फिटनेस मॉडल, ग्लैमर मॉडल, बिकिनी मॉडल, फाइन आर्ट मॉडल, प्रिंट शूट्स मॉडल एंड रैम मॉडल। और नई टर्म आ चुकी है आज की डेट में विच इज़ कॉल्ड इंस्टाग्राम मॉडल्स। अब इंस्टाग्राम के ऊपर अगर आप फेमस है तो ऑलरेडी डिज़ाइनर्स आपके साथ कोलैबोरेट करना चाहते हैं। और होता क्या है कि डिज़ाइनर्स और इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एक दूसरे को प्रमोट करते हैं, विच इज़ अ विन विन सिचुएशन फॉर बोथ। But if you are passionate for real-time modeling, like walking the ramp, working for big designers, or be the face of the brands, then you need to prepare yourself. So portfolio is the basic requirement for this. But portfolio में होता क्या है? आपके face shots, mid-length and full-length shots. It can be in western attires or in traditional attires. But where to sell this portfolio and how to enter modeling industry? So the answer to this is beauty pageants. Beauty pageants are actually a ground, or you can say a platform, which is open for everyone. It doesn't matter if you go for a regional level or national, international level beauty pageant. It's all about that you are ready to go on the stage and you are ready to learn. ब्यूटी पैजेंट्स एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम की तरह डिज़ाइन होते हैं, जिसमें आपको मीडिया हैंडलिंग, हाउ टू टॉक, हाउ टू वॉक, हाउ टू पोज, ये सब आपको सिखाया जाता है। और वहीं पर आपको यू कैन से एक पॉलिशिंग या एक फिनिशिंग मिल जाती है। ब्यूटी पैजेंट्स आर एक्चुअली अ गुड वे टू बिल्ड कॉन्टैक्ट्स एज वेल। इफ़ यू विन अ ब्यूटी पैजेंट, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ feather on the cap. But if you don't, then even you will be winning some subtitles. At least you will learn and you will groom yourself. So this is the first step you can try. अब enter तो हो गए मॉडलिंग में, but how to survive in this industry? Of course, you need to be firm and know your limits. You need to build your own standards. You need to build your own, style of working. कि मैं क्या काम कर सकती हूँ, मैं क्या नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मेरी restrictions क्या हैं, मेरी limits क्या हैं. You need to set it yourself. There will be a lot of people telling you that ऐसा होता है इंडस्ट्री में, वैसा होता है. बट सी, जिसके पास काम होगा वो सिर्फ काम की बात करेगा, जिसके पास काम नहीं होगा वो ऐसी फालतू की कहानियाँ सुनाएगा. So you need to set your own limits and you need to set your own standard that okay, I'm ambitious but not desperate. This is the way which I did and it worked for me. So you can try this as well. Another thing I will share with you is that this profession is very temporary and it's not a secure career. यहाँ पर रेगुलर इनकम नहीं होगी, रेगुलर काम नहीं होगा कि ओके एवरी डे यू आर गोइंग फॉर शोज और शूट्स. नो, ऐसा नहीं होगा. कुछ सीज़न आता है जब आपको बहुत सारा काम मिलेगा, कुछ सीज़न आएगा जब कुछ भी नहीं होगा. सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड बिल्ड अप अ सेकेंड प्लान बी फॉर योरसेल्फ. Even the big supermodels, they also have secondary source of income, like they have saloons, they have restaurants, they have beauty academies, they have modeling agencies. Yes, they have a plan B for themselves. So you need to understand that this industry is very temporary and irregular. There's no specific income कि जो आपको हर मंथ आएगी. तो आपको इस चीज़ के लिए भी prepared रहना पड़ेगा. So now you know the reality of modeling industry. So choose wisely if you want to do part-time modeling or you want to have a plan B, or you think that no, I'm passionate and I want to give 100% in it. It all depends on you. So in the last I will share my experience. So I started modeling from college days and I did a beauty pageant by the name of Face of the Year 2013. I won that and it was won by Miss Kangana Ranaut as well in 2003. So I was super happy. They also sent me for Elite Miss India and then I learned so many things. There were girls from all over India and trust me, everybody is just amazing. I got good shows and shoots from the same agency and I was working with Milan sir. I'm quite grateful to him He's a wonderful choreographer, model, and trainer. But I never left my full-time career for modeling. I used to do part-time modeling. And वैसे भी shows and shoots ज़्यादातर Saturday Sundays को ही होते हैं. So it's fine. And because of my full-time career, I was quite secure. I was not depending only on modeling for the source of income. And I had a good career path and I was doing modeling part-time so for me. So which was quite good for me. Two most important things which I learned from modeling industry is be ambitious but not desperate. You need to stand on your grounds. And second thing, outer beauty can be disguised by beautiful makeup or by designer outfits. But what matters is a beautiful heart and a beautiful brain. Like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next video.